Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import and export media file in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to transfer media file from one website to another website. Now you see images. So first we are going to export. On left side you see tools and then you see export. So click on it. So we are in export setting and then you see media. Now select and then you see start date, end date. Now select. So you can select date according to your requirement and then click on download export file and then click on save. Now file save done. Now go to another website and then you see media file and then we are going to import. On left side you see tools and then you see import. So click on it and then you see WordPress install now. So click on it. So we are going to import media files which include images, PDF, all files and then you see run importer. So click on it and then you see choose file. So click on it. So this is our XML format. Now select and then you see upload file and import. So click on it. So XML file include all file format exist in media section, media library, which include JPG format, PNG format, PDF, all type of files. Now you see import author. Now select and then you see import attachment. Now select and then click on submit and then you see all done. Now go to media library. So media library open and now you see images we import. Now you see. Now go to another website. Go to media library. Now you see these images. Now go to another website again. Here you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.